Hi, so today we're going to look at 28 very simple phrases that will easily increase your IELTS writing score. So, expressing personal opinions. I must admit that, as I see it, I would argue that, I'd like to point out that. Example, I would argue that computers can be extremely beneficial in a child's education. Proving your arguments. This point is attested by, this is evidenced by, this point establishes that, it can be proven that. It can be proved that taking exercise is good for one's health. Expressing general point of view. It is generally claimed that, it is generally thought that, it is generally considered that. It is considered that strict diets are not healthy. Outlining facts. The fact is that, it is clear that, there is no doubt that, this proves that. Our example, it is clear that deforestation has a detrimental effect on the environment. Generalizing, okay, generally speaking, on the whole, typically, by and large. Example, generally speaking, smoking is a bad habit. Giving examples. For example, for instance, a good illustration of this is, and we can see this when. A lot of wild animals are endangered. This is proved by the decreasing number of species. And finally, concluding, to summarize, in conclusion, overall, on balance. Right, overall, there is no excuse for not wearing a mask in public places. So, I hope you find these bits of information useful. You can join our Facebook page and get regular updates. And do please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more details, you can contact this number about our training courses. Good luck with your practice and keep safe.